When people have been involved in a dog bite, oftentimes they're very afraid, they're very confused, they're very upset about the situation and what happened and what they now have to deal with in terms of getting better both physically and mentally. After a dog bite, what we do to really relieve the stress is we meet with you, we talk through your situation and make sure we fully understand it, and then come up with a plan for you to move forward with your claim so that you can turn this traumatic incident towards a positive outcome. If you've been attacked by a dog, you may be wondering some of the mistakes that you want to avoid. Number one is not properly documenting what happened, whether that's taking photographs, whether it's gathering information about the dogs or the owner of the dogs, things of that nature. Number two is not getting prompt medical care to evaluate your injuries and determine whether or not you need any follow-up medical care. If you do need follow-up care, a mistake is not following through with that and not taking the recommendations of the doctors and the medical providers. Another mistake is not contacting a dog bite attorney right away to understand exactly what your case is about, have all of your questions answered, and to understand what your options are for moving forward. If you've been attacked by a dog, you might be wondering how to choose the right lawyer for your case. Number one, you want to choose a lawyer that does only personal injury cases and that handles specifically dog bite cases and has a history of success in those cases. You also want to hire a trial lawyer who will prepare your case from the very beginning to be presented to trial if the insurance company is not going to be fair and reasonable about your case. If you've been involved in a dog bite and you're putting off contacting a lawyer because you're afraid that you can't afford the lawyer, the good news is we do free consultations, so we will meet with you or talk with you for free to understand your case. If you decide to work with us, you don't have to pay us anything unless your case is successful. We also handle the expenses involved in the case as the case goes along. So you don't have to pay any fees and you're not responsible for any expenses as your case goes along until we're successful with your case at the end. We can take those things off your plate. You can focus on getting better.